Want a fresh look? Change your iPhone wallpaper. Change wallpaper from Settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. Tap on Add New Wallpaper. Select from Default iPhone Wallpapers, New iOS Collections. Now click on Get to Download. Next, swipe left or right to preview different styles. Select your preferred one. Change clock style and font. Tap on Add. Choose Set as Wallpaper Pair. The wallpaper is now updated. Change wallpaper from Lock Screen. Lock your iPhone. Press and hold on the lock screen. At the bottom right, tap on the plus icon. Scroll and select a new wallpaper. After selecting, at the top right corner, click on Add, and then select to set as a wallpaper pair. And that's it. Your new wallpaper is now set.